Where are we going?
We're going to eat Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese food. Nice place.
Yes, it is.
I hope so.
Very good.
Let's see. Vietnamese.
No, it's called Pho Hung.
Huh?
The corner, Pho Hung. I think I'm saying that right. Pho Hung. But it's at the corner of Spadina and Kensington.
I don't know. We'll see.
Oops. Did I say Spadina in Kensington? It's actually Spadina in St. Andrew Street. My bad.
Okay, here we are. Let's see how's the food.
Yeah, he's never really had Vietnamese food, so let's see how it goes.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though.
Ah, you decided what to order. What are you gonna order?
I'm gonna order a spring roll.
Huh?
I'm gonna order a spring roll and then rice for you. And I guess it's called roll yourself here, but it's like one of those rice rolls that you roll yourself.
Good. Sounds good. Let's see.
Do you want beef?
You choose.
To order, you actually have to write down the number of the item you want on the paper to give to the server. Okay, so to make the wrap, you take the rice paper and then you dip it into the hot water that they give you so it softens up and then it becomes like malleable for you to roll. So I place it on here and then it comes with like lettuce and mint and all these other items that you can put down on it. I like to actually fill it with a lot of the vegetables. So I put down the lettuce first and then I place the cucumbers, as well as I think it's marinated daikon and carrots, and then with the bean sprouts. Place it all on top. Now it's the mint time that I put the mint on top with the vermicelli. I don't really like too much vermicelli. And then what I ordered is the sugar cane, minced shrimp on sugar cane. That is placed on top, and then I start the rolling. This rice paper is actually pretty sticky. Usually some rice papers don't stick that fast, but if you put it in hot water, it does soften up really fast. So now I'm rolling it as best as I can. I don't really like to roll both ends for some reason. I like to just roll one end and then eat from the other side. And there we go. That's the roll. I think I did pretty good. What do you think?
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never like those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chase. Hey, this is my food.
So for Richard, we ordered the beef on rice, and he's pouring on the fish sauce.
And I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left the hash. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit.
Okay, now it's my turn to make a roll. I'm pretty sure I can do this as well.
his first time rolling, except for this part where he's tucking it in and not rolling it all the way through. But yeah, pretty good. So that's that for our Vietnamese experience. Remember to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Ooh, it's cold out here. All right, good night.
Bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the whip we left at.